jury. If you weren't at Clothing, you need to pick your favourite chocolate person here and cheer them on. So could you take your respective chocolate bar, please? Don't unwrap it yet though. No. Your Kit Kat. Don't unwrap it yet though. That is part of the challenge. Okay, now the rules are, you can't unwrap it until we say go. Hold on, Alex. The winner is the first one to completely finish your chocolate bar. The judge that you have to go and show your empty mouth to is Ted! Helen Lynch. So, Andy and Charlie, could we move that board please so everyone could just line up so that it's equal distance to Helen? Thank you. Are you ready? This is for the Chocolate Bragging Rights 2009. 3, 2, 1, go! Empty mouths now, empty mouths. Every last morsel has to be swallowed. Oh, please don't water. Come on, Peter, come on! I think we have a winner. Beautiful Matt Walker and the Flake team are the best chocolate in the world ever.